Micro machines. I happen to do micro machines, you guys. My granddaughter, Lila, loves this. At Walker. Absolutely cool. And I started 16 years ago with this Millennium Falcon. Not a very good build. And I continued to make them. As you can see, this is a progression. They got better as I got better. And it doesn't matter. This is not Slave 1, all right? This is a fire spray, which is what they are called. Boba Fett's ship is Slave 1. This one here is a droid control ship. All those Roger droids and droidicas and stuff were controlled by this right here. You might be part of the escape crew off of Hoth. That's where you've seen this transport.
Edward says, I want to know what the function of some creatures are like mosquitoes.
Well, Edrich, all functions of bugs are part of a food chain. The mosquitoes, the larvae and the mosquitoes feed fish. And they also feed spiders. And so all bugs in the food chain are there for a good reason. Now, yes, they bug us. That's why they're called bugs. But there is a purpose behind all of them. Now, when I built this sandcrawler, this was like 2010. I did not know what a sandcrawler looked like. I had no idea about the engines back here. I knew it had a trap door up front, but I didn't realize it. Only thing I knew is it had these doors here, this door here. And I think I got those right, but none of the rest of this is correct. The tracks are correct. Believe me, that was a lot of little micro cuts to make all of those. So, there you go. Okay, back to building. Let's see here. Now let's turn that off. Turn this on. Come on, you. And there, with the lens, is the way that looks.
Minutes, Mike.
30 minutes of the show left, you guys, and I gotta go. Lens number 2. Wow, trying to see where I got to cut this is really tough. I hope y'all can see what I'm doing.
We can. You cut with such precision.
Yes, you have to. When you want to build the things that I build, if you do not cut with precision, there's lots of little cleanup work and stuff you got to do. I have so much to do. The more precision I can put into this, the less after effect I have to do. Ah, looks good, coach. And I have found that Sharpies absolutely are amazing for all of this stuff that I do.